Will a cloud certification help me get a job? I've been asked this question multiple times, and I finally wanted to go ahead and add some clarity to the question and add a little more depth to it. If you go ahead and try searching up how to land a cloud technology role, you'll have multiple sources telling you to take their cloud course, and you'll go ahead and be able to pass some sort of exam. Is it enough to actually pass the certification and then just get a job right away? By itself, no, unfortunately not. So now let me go ahead and shine some light as to why and what else you can do to actually land you a role. I mean, I know it'd be really cool if you could just pass the certification and then just get the job right away. That'd be pretty awesome, but unfortunately not in this scenario. Let's take a look at the roles for an AWS Solutions Architect, an Azure Solutions Architect, and a GCP Solutions Architect. So this is for AWS. We can see, all right, 2+ years of design, implementation, and consulting, 4 years with specific technology domain areas, 7 years in enterprise IT application experience, and then here 2 years of hands-on experience in development or DevOps or sysadmin. Now, the years are going to vary from depending on the specific role and where that role will be in the organization, with which team. I've seen this be 5 years, I've seen this be 3 years, so it does depend. But some of the preferred qualifications: advanced knowledge of the actual cloud service, prior technical experience within sales, some technical experience for the infrastructure and security requirements, and then also, since it's Amazon, those leadership principles, of course, are a big requirement, of course. Then if we go ahead and take a look at the Azure or Microsoft Solutions Architect, you need a degree, computer science, or they say what, or master's or equivalent experience, solid technical pre-sales experience. So we see that sales experience again, proven project management experience, technical certification in a domain, agile delivery, CI/CD, and then of course application migration approaches and experience. Then GCP, last one, we've got bachelor's degree, 5 years of experience producing technical assets. Let's see, master's degree, 5 years of experience working with a variety of enterprise and cloud technology systems. And then Jenkins, infrastructure automation, knowledge of tools like Chef, Ansible, Docker, and Kubernetes. Great. So those are a quick look at the different solutions architect roles, depending on what cloud you want to go for. I just chose the top 3. So after taking a look, we see we need a lot of not just the technical experience that we gain from an actual certification. We also require a lot of these soft skills where we have to not only know the technology, but be able to communicate the technology, understand the business's needs, and that way we can go ahead and better design technology solutions based on our technical capabilities, but then using the soft skills to communicate those technical requirements and designs to different teams, to different team members. It's important to also develop those soft skills, and that's why they ask for experience within that technical aspect, application aspect. But then we saw a lot of those sales requirements because we have to be able to communicate the technology, understand the technology, and then why or how it'll provide additional benefits despite the additional costs of that actual technology. So alone, a certification is not going to get you a solutions architect role, whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP. But if you work on those soft skill sets, being able to communicate what technology the business is going to need, as well as why, or why not these other technologies, you can also be able to explain a little bit about the how the technology works to both more technical engineers as well as leadership and more non-technical management. You have to be able to sort of be the glue for both sides. If you can go ahead and do that while also getting the certification, then I think you'll be all set. And you might be thinking, well, why do I even want to get the certification? The certification is just a little badge of honor, a way for you to put on your resume and show other people, I'm actually competent in the cloud space for that specific product, right? So whether it's solutions architecting for AWS, Azure, or GCP, It's just showing people you are competent, you have the foundational understanding of the cloud for that specific technology, for that specific service. That's all it does. But you have to be able to actually know the technology if someone asks you a question, and be able to communicate it back to other people why you use one over the other. You really have to know the ins and outs, and then be able to communicate that to other people and manage that skill set of listening to other people's problems, then coming up with your own problem solving technology solutions, and then communicate those solutions to multiple teams and be able to work with multiple different members within that team as well. So a lot of other soft skills required with the certification. So I wanted to shine some light to whether or not you need an actual AWS or Azure or GCP certification, and if that'll get you a job. No, it won't. If you work on those soft skills, however, and you continuously build your experience, whether that's through projects or some other work experience, whether it's an internship or somewhere else, then you go ahead and start building out those soft skills and technical skills to really help you land that AWS, Azure, or GCP role. I hope you enjoyed today's video discussing whether or not a cloud certification will help you land a job. It will not, but we discussed the other skill sets needed for those soft skills to help you get that role. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and follow for more content where we discuss all things technology and business. As always, I'm Perez the Dev, and thanks for watching.